Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a device that I have wanted very long time. I'm opening on the back because my address and everything's on the other side, so let's go ahead and open it up. The seller used newspaper. Probably already see what it is. It is a FireLite BG-12LX. Removed straight from a building. It looks in very good condition. Looks like it comes with a key. It's very dusty, but it can be cleaned. Go and pull it. Pulls nicely. Open it up by turning the key. There's a snap at the top. Like that. And there's the module. Looks like this was device number 6 on the system. There's a switch. It's definitely like the snap and the switch are a lot firmer than mine. Probably this one hasn't been pulled very much. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I might be making a video on installing this, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's the pull station. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.